Hanon T960 fully automatic titrator. Building block design for different laboratory applications. T960 Basic. T960 Pro with different functions. Offer acid-base titration, redox titration, precipitation titration, complexation titration, dead stop titration, and others. 4-channel mixed synchronous feeding system. Multi-titration module. 1/15 of a million barrette resolution. We offer barrette options. 1 milliliter, 5 milliliters, 10 milliliters, 25 milliliters barrette. Offer magnetic stirring and mechanical stirring multiple options. Offer wireless connection. Workstation and equipment connection without cable, remote control of instruments, reducing the opportunity of close contact of operator to chemical reagents. Support submerged cleaning and spray cleaning, ring spray design. More thorough cleaning, can withstand a variety of cleaning solutions. RFID sample information reading function, can identify sample information, reduce weighing and testing different people caused by the information transfer error. We provide different auto sampler, 18 positions rotor with 50 milliliters sample cup, 16 positions rotor with 100 milliliters sample cup and 12 position rotor with 250 milliliters sample cup auto sampler turntable. Replace the turntable. The instrument can automatically identify the turntable model. Adapt to the special titration cup, standard glass beaker, standard plastic beaker, disposable titration cup and other different titration cups. The instrument supports continuous sampling. Without stopping, the machine can edit the finished sample position information, height, speed, efficiency. For channels with auto sampler, suitable for the use of many kinds of samples and the number of samples. 2-channel basic configuration, suitable for low sample frequency scenarios.